Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to divide your pages vertically in Notion application or the Notion website. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to connect to your Notion web portal and connect with your Google account or Apple account, or you can just connect with your email. Otherwise you can just open your desktop client. After that you will need just to follow these simple steps. Here in this example, I have this empty page, and to divide it vertically, I will need to have a divider. To add this divider, you will need just to go like here in this plus sign and add, and you will have this pop-up menu and search for divider and click on it, or you can just type slash and search for divider and have it like this, and now you can divide your page, and let's just have, for example, hello everyone, and as you can see the page is divided, and now you can like change the placement of your divider here and take it to other lines like this. Whenever you are adding lines or blocks, you will be able to change the divider here. And also you can have like another divider with just search for codes to have like an horizontal one. As you can see, this is codes, and you can add mini codes like this marks or divider and add something. For example, is just hello, other codes, for example, codes, and let's take it here. We want to have some everyone, and we can have them in the same line. So basically, this is how you can divide your page horizontally in Notion application or website. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.